Happy Saturday. This is Sherry with Style Tips with Sherry. Today's video is all about the denim skirt. Well, I know I've been talking about it. We have a denim skirt in the Closet Outfit Planner, and how do you wear it? And so, true confession, I don't have a denim skirt. Will I get one? I just don't know yet. I just honestly don't know, but I didn't want to keep putting this video off. I know I said I would film one for you during the month of March as to how to wear a denim skirt. And so I'm doing this with pictures and yet also with kind of my top 10 tips on what and how to put together an outfit wearing a denim skirt. So let's get started. All right, number one, I really think the best style for a denim skirt is either a slim denim skirt that hits right at the knee or above the knee, or one that has a little bit of a flare, almost like a fit and flare would be. A fit and flare goes like this if it's a dress, but an A-line skirt. But one that is actually one that has a little bit of detail to it. And so that's my number two tip. So number one is the style. I really think both of the skirts, whether it's a slim or whether it is a flare, should be, or an A-line, should be right at the knee or above. Really don't like the longer denim skirts. Maybe that's just me. I know there's a way to wear them, but we're going to concentrate on the spring looks this season, and I really think the shorter skirt is better. All right, so right there. So that's number one, the style. Number two is if you're going to wear the flare, the A-line, then find one that has a little bit of detail to it. Whether it's a tie belt or whether it's buttons that actually come right down the front of it, because what it does is it draws the eye to the center of the body and will make you look trimmer in your denim skirt. Number three, what shoes should you wear with your denim skirt? I would say one of two. One, I like a white sneaker, or I like, and I don't mean the running athletic kind of sneaker. I mean kind of the stylish white sneaker. We're going to show you a picture there of a sneaker that just looks so cute with outfits this season. Honestly, I just got a pair of Sam Edelman. I love them, and I think they're super cute. That's what I'll show you a picture of. But I would say you could either wear a white sneaker, or you could wear a sandal, but one that has a little bit of a heel. Yes, you can do a wedge sandal, you can do one with a strap, you can do a slide, but I really do feel like a sandal is your best bet for a denim skirt this spring season. Number four, accessories. You gotta add the accessories. Whether it's pearls or the candy colored baubles or a hat, a cute little straw hat, I think it just ties the outfit together and up levels it a little bit. My number five tip for denim skirts and wearing a denim skirt outfit is if you are wearing a thinner, slimmer skirt style, then your top should be more voluminous. So something wide with the sleeves, a horizontal stripe, something that's a little blousier on top. All right. And then the number six tip would be if the skirt is fuller or has that flare to it, the A-line, then you want to go slimmer with your top. You could do a knit top. You could do a tank top, just like this picture of Miriam that I'm showing, who is in our Closet Outfit Planner Facebook group. She's part of the COP squad, Closet Outfit Planner squad, COP squad, get it? And she just did a post this past week of two different looks that she had with her denim skirt. And so that's the style of denim skirt that I love. And I love seeing that with her tank top. And notice this look that we're showing right here, look number 25, is in the Closet Outfit Planner. And I think every single one of the planners gets that exact look. And so that's just a great way, a great basic to have kind of the basis of what putting an outfit together for a denim skirt. I just think that it's just really, really good. Number 7, you cannot go wrong with stripes with a denim skirt. So whether it's your bold stripe, which is super popular this season, so nautical stripe, fruit stripes, bold stripe, whatever it is, skinny stripes, wide stripes, a striped top or tee, or even a blouse is going to be a really good look for your denim skirt. Number 8, when wearing a denim skirt, make sure, especially or not especially, I mean, if you have a denim skirt that is right at that knee, a shorter style jacket, if you're going to put a jacket with it, then I want you to keep it hip level or above. A shorter jacket is just a better style with this type of a skirt. Number 9, graphic tees all day long. Wear your graphic tee with your denim skirt. Pair the little sandals or even a white sneaker with it, and so cute. And how about that cute hat? And then number 10, and probably my favorite look for a denim skirt is adding a white blouse. Putting that white blouse, if it is more voluminous, like this one photo that I'm showing you, or if you're just wearing a white tank with it, or if you're just wearing your favorite white top. But white with denim is just a very on-trend, classic as well look, and I don't think you can go wrong. So follow those top 10 tips when it comes to putting your denim outfits together, and I can't wait to see what you look like. If you post it somewhere for me, send me a picture. Tell me how you like to put your outfits together. Put it below. What is your favorite denim skirt outfit? And hey, do you even own a denim skirt? Let me know. Until next week, I will see you then. Bye-bye.